Funny Fuel Episode 4, What if people had sound effects in real life? Imagine walking into a room and suddenly, boss fight music starts playing. Do you run? Do you fight? Or do you realize it's just your mom holding a slipper? What if every awkward silence came with cricket chirps? Or every dumb decision triggered the Windows error sound? Finishing your coffee? Achievement unlocked. Caffeinated. And let's talk about movie falls. One tiny trip, and suddenly, slow motion, dramatic scream, thunder crashing in the distance. Now picture this. You tell a joke. Nobody laughs, but the laugh track saves you. You're a comedy legend. Life would be so much better with sound effects. Unless you're the guy who gets the mission failed music every Monday morning.